Welcome to EcoHaven Villa, where luxury meets nature in a perfect harmony of relaxation and adventure. Nestled in the serene town of Bustos, Bulacan, this is more than just a destination, it's an experience. Take a dip in our infinity swimming pool, where the horizon seems endless, or let your little ones splash and laugh in the kiddie pool with a jacuzzi. Inside the villa, discover a space crafted for comfort and style. With a cozy living room, a private bedroom, and a chic loft-type sleeping area, there's room for everyone to relax and recharge. Need entertainment? Enjoy our 55 inches smart TV with free Netflix, or connect with high-speed internet. Our mini bar offers the perfect space to unwind. Cook up something delicious in our fully stocked kitchen, complete with a gas stove, refrigerator, microwave, and all the essentials. This cozy gazebo offers the perfect space to unwind, with its own toilet and bath. It's time to unwind, sing your heart out, and make unforgettable memories here at our Videoke corner. At EcoHaven Villa, every moment is an opportunity for fun. Challenge your friends to a game of badminton, shoot hoops on our half basketball court, or rev up the excitement with an ATV adventure. For laid-back moments, we have board games for the kids. EcoHaven Villa transforms into a magical retreat. Under the night sky, our infinity pool glows with tranquility, inviting you to unwind and soak in the beauty of the evening. Every corner of the villa radiates elegance and calm. For the adults, we bring the party to life with games like Beer-pong. Guaranteed to test your skills and keep the good vibes flowing. It's endless entertainment, day and night, or gathering around a warm bonfire, sharing stories under a sky full of stars. Slow down and savor the simple joys, fishing by a peaceful pond. Our spacious grounds are perfect for team-building activities, family reunions, or intimate celebrations. With every corner designed to inspire connection, EcoHaven Villa isn't just a place to stay, it's where memories are made. EcoHaven Villa is your ultimate escape. Come for the luxury, stay for the experience, and leave with memories that will last a lifetime. Book your stay today and discover the haven you've been dreaming of.